guys, so today I'm going to be making a rubber lino printing stamp. I want to make this because I want to have a little stamp of my logo so I can use it on different products when I'm sending out parcels, even on labels for when I sell my denim jackets. And I thought this would be a great way to make one. So I have done lino printing before. I did it at college when I was 17, but I haven't actually done it since then. So I picked this lino kit up from Hobbycraft. I think I paid £26 with my discount, which is quite a lot to pay, but to be honest, you probably get really good value as there are a lot of things in this. So now I'm gonna go and have a look and see what's in it. So this kit comes with 23 pieces, everything you need, so like the rubber stamps, the rollers, the ink and everything. When I was originally thinking of doing this, I was planning on just buying the knife and the lino, but in the end I decided it'd just be better just to buy the whole kit so I wouldn't have to buy new lino again. And you get a range of different size knives, I guess is what they're called. I'm not really sure of exactly the knives. But yeah, let's have a look. So here are the sheets of lino. So you get these little round ones to make stamps out of. I'm not exactly sure what this is for. Maybe it's another piece of lino, but it just feels a bit different. This is to hold the circle pieces in place. That. Then I've got the lino board that I will probably use. I'll use one of these sheets on my design. Oh. Then instructions. And two more of these weird boards. I guess I can use these as well, but they feel a bit different to what I'm used to, so I'll probably avoid these. Got a paint roller, the ink, so this is water-based ink. I'm not really sure what this is for either. And then this is a stamp. There's stuff in here. And in here are all the different knives, and I think this is also used as a stamp too, I think. This bit is meant to come off, and inside are all the knives. I'm going to go and look up how I'm meant to open this because I'm not really sure. And then we have a tray to put the ink in. I've managed to open it up, and this is what you get. You get 6 of these little knives, you get the handle, and this little bit screws on so you can attach the knives. And yeah, I'm going to get started making this now. So I've printed out my design, which is this my little girl logo, and I've also got my lino here too. I've decided to use the soft type just because this is what I'm used to, this is what I've used before, so I'm happier to use it. And I'm going to use the smooth side over the rough texture side. There's not really any difference, except the texture side just gives your final prints a bit more of a texture than the soft side. So what I'm doing here is I'm drawing over my girl in a pencil. You have to use a pencil to do this. The reason I'm doing this is to make an imprint into my lino so I can then use it to trace over and create my design. Once you finish tracing over your image, you want to take your block, turn the image upside down, and make sure your image is placed close enough to the edge, but not too close. And then you want to get your pencil and scribble over the design on the back. This helps make the pencil from the front appear on the lino print, making it easier to cut out my design. As you can see, my pencil design has now appeared on my lino, and then I used a black permanent marker to go around it, and then I was planning on cutting the bits out that weren't in black. So now I'm going to very carefully carve up my design. I don't know if you can see it, but it's quite a small design, so there's lots of small parts to it. So this is going to take me a while and I've got to be really careful with it. But I hope it comes out looking good. I've finished cutting out the stamp. I'm not 100% sure how well this is going to turn out, to be honest. I think there's just too much detail in it, and I think I've probably missed a lot of spots, or it's just going to have really kind of jaggedy edges. But if this doesn't work, I'm probably just going to do her face. But I'm going to get my sketchbook and give it a go. So it's not awful for a first attempt, but I definitely think the face is a bit messed up, and I'm going to redo it just as her face. The reason I'm doing it this size is because I want to make it into tags, but it just isn't going to work this size with this much detail in the design, so I'm going to go and recreate her. So I've gone and traced the face of the girl onto the lino. I'm hoping this will work a little bit better because you can see there's more gaps in between the lines and everything's a little bit more spread out. And hopefully when I remove the white space this time, it'll come out so much better, and I know what I'm doing now a little bit better than before. So yeah, let's hope it works. So I'm going to try this again and hopefully, you know, it works. That worked so much better than the last one did, and I'm so much more happy with that. I think I need to remove some of these black bits, and then I'm going to try it again and hopefully it will be perfect. I think I need to apply a little bit more ink though, as that is a bit faded there. I'm really happy with how this has come out. I think one thing I need to work on is making sure the print is good and like sharp enough, because you can see here that some of them are a little bit faded. I've probably just not got enough ink on them. I think this one's probably my favourite one. I'm really happy how she came out, and I definitely think that this new stamp works so much better than the old one. Yeah, I'm really happy with this all, and hopefully you'll be able to see this on more of my things at some point. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. I had so much fun doing this, and I hope to do it again in the future. I'm not sure if I'll make a video on it, but it was definitely something fun to do, and it's quite different to what I normally make. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below saying whether or not you've tried this out before. And if you haven't, you should totally go and give it a go because it is so fun to do and it's just a little bit different to like your standard drawing or painting. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell button so you'll be the first to be notified when I next upload. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!